Welcome to Mac and PC Prime Video. Today I am showing get ringtones on your iPhone without a GarageBand. You're going to need a program called iMazing. You can see it right here. You can get the free trial. It won't cost you your thing, and that works totally fine. So you just want to click on this download. iMazing. I've already done it, so I don't need to do it. And it'll sit on your desktop like this. So the next thing that you want to do is you want to have your file sitting on your desktop, your MP3 file, your file, whatever the audio file format is. You want to go to audiomass.co. This is an audio editor, so you just drag your file in like this. And then what we're going to do is we're going to cut out 20 seconds there. So we've got 20 seconds now. We're going to export this file. We're going to get a Mac and PC. Does it matter if you choose WAV or MP3? Either one will work there. So now what you want to do is you want to open up iMazing, like I've just done here. You want to click on Continue Trial or Start Trial. For me, it's Continue. And then you want to connect your iPhone to your computer so you can see the ringtones icon right here. So, what we're going to do. So I'm going to drag this new ringtone into the ringtone section there. So now it's successfully copied to my Mac and PC. All right. So now we're going to make sure that everything works properly. So we're going to go to Settings. We're going to go to Sounds and Haptics. I'm going to go down to the ringtone, and then you can see that I have this video to help you guys. Thanks for watching.